You have to be grown. Still awesome. Yeah, but you have to be grown.